Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am making Thai curry and I want to show you guys how I make it. I personally love it and it's a very simple recipe. So stay tuned on this channel and watch this video till the end to know how I make veg Thai curry. So here I have taken broccoli, carrots, zucchini, mushrooms and corns. So I personally like to take only these veggies. You can add onions if you want or any other veggies if you want. You can also add some chicken if you like. So today I'm making a veg Thai curry, so I've taken these veggies. Now in a pan, add some butter, and after this add some minced garlic to it. So usually I use fresh garlic, but this time we are trying this minced garlic from Costco. So I'm waiting for the butter to melt. Okay, so now the garlic is hot and let's put these veggies. So I usually put everything together and I just make sure that they are cooked properly before putting in coconut milk. So this takes around 5 to 7 minutes. So meanwhile I have put rice. So this is normal plain basmati steamed rice. I have not put anything in it as of now. So this is my version of Thai curry. This is not an authentic Thai curry. I have invented this recipe from the ingredients that I had from kitchen. I personally liked it and I have been making it since 2 years now. So I hope you guys like it too. So now it's almost done. Now in the same pan, I add this coconut milk. So I got it from Costco from this brand that's called Char's Organics. So make sure that you shake it first. And you add this entire can of coconut milk. So now the coconut milk is warm and into that I am putting this red Thai curry paste from Blue Dragon. I got it from Metro and I really love the taste. So you just put 2 to 3 tablespoons of Thai curry paste. There is no measurement whatsoever. If you like it spicy, add more, but I usually add 2 to 3 tablespoons and the color changes to orange. The taste is absolutely yum and I have not added salt till now in the veggies or in the coconut milk. So first I'll taste this and if salt is needed only then I'll add. So now we have to bring this to boil and after that we'll add our veggies. So now our coconut milk has started boiling. So now I'll put these veggies in it. I've added all the veggies. I've not added salt, so now I will add some salt. I'm just adding a little salt because I'll be adding mixed herbs to it as well. Now keep stirring it and again bring it to boil. And now add these salad herbs, mixed herbs from Clubhouse. I got this from Metro. I do add a lot of it. Okay, let me turn off. Okay. It's almost ready and now we'll start preparing the rice. Do some taste test. It's pretty good. Now our Thai curry is ready and I'll switch off the flame. Meanwhile, I'm making some rice here. So I have steamed rice. So I'll make some herb rice now. I'll show you how to make it. It's very easy and it's very delicious. First, let's make sure if this has become non-stick or no. No, it has not become. Let's try again. So the water has formed beads, so now it is completely non-stick. I'm still not sure if this works, but we can try it right now. I have to wait till this one bead bursts. So yeah, done. Okay, so now I'm taking some butter and spreading it all over the pan. Garlic. I've taken this pan away from the flame because it almost got burnt. Now to this, I'll be adding these mixed herbs again. Add a lot of mixed herbs. And to this, add some finely chopped coriander. Now to this, add some steamed rice. The best part about this recipe is that there is no fixed quantity. You can do how much ever you want. It depends on how many people are going to eat it. So I usually make it for 2 people. So I'm adding this much rice. And now give it a stir, and your herb rice is almost ready. After you stir it, add some salt. Also, please check before adding salt because these mixed herbs, they already have salt. So now, also I think the trick worked. The pan has become completely non-stick. No rice has stuck to this pan at all. So yeah, this works. So the Thai curry is ready and it turned out to be super delicious. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a comment below, like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll keep making more such recipes, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.